How's it going, everybody? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a look at the Nike Air Force 1 Low in the Sail and Platinum Tint color. This pair released in May for a retail price of $110 US or $145 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is white, platinum tint, and sail, and this is one of the better looking general release Air Force 1 Lows I've seen in quite a while. So I grabbed these online on Nike Canada's website, but since then it seems like this pair is sold out everywhere. To me, this is just one of those very wearable, very versatile pairs, but to me it differentiates itself just enough from your normal white and white Air Force 1 Lows. So the upper is constructed out of a combination of different leathers and suede. Starting things off with the toe box, here we have this synthetic white leather, which has these perforations found throughout the entire toe box. Wrapping around the outer edge of the toe box, here we have a platinum tint colored suede, which has a bit of a rough texture to it. The suede covers the middle of the shoe where the eyelets are as well. Next to that, we have that smooth white leather once again, and then stitched on top of this, we have a sail colored swoosh, which is constructed out of a sail or off-white colored leather. So the majority of the back heel is covered in that platinum tint colored suede, and on the very center of the back heel, we have this center strip of leather running down the bottom, along with this hit of canvas at the very top, with the Nike Air branding embroidered in white. For the laces, they opted for a sail or off-white colored lace, and then beneath this we have a canvas tongue with this white tag at the very top with Nike Air Force 1 branding. For the insoles, these come with your standard white colored Air Force 1 insoles with Nike Air branding on the heel in white. The upper of these Air Force 1s sits atop this chunky midsole, which is colored in the sail or off-white tint. Encapsulated within the shoe but not visible to the eye, we do have Nike Air Sole technology for cushioning. Flipping the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Air Force 1 outsole. So we have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot and bottom heel, and it's finished off with Nike branding on the medial edge. For those wondering how these fit, they fit exactly the same to me as all my other Air Force 1s. So whatever you normally wear for Air Force 1s, I'd recommend just sticking with that same size. If you haven't worn an Air Force 1 before, generally speaking, most people go down a half size, but for all my wide footers watching out there, you can stick true to size if you don't mind a little bit extra room, or go down half a size if you like a really snug one-to-one fit. Next up, in terms of the comfort on the shoe, the Air Force 1 isn't particularly my favorite shoe from a comfort standpoint. It is a pretty heavy sneaker, and while there is Nike Air technology within the shoe, you can't really feel it too much. With that said though, it's going to be fine for just an everyday casual use sneaker. Just don't have too high expectations as far as a comfort standpoint. Finally, in terms of the quality and the craftsmanship, so while the overall build on the shoe is pretty good, I had no loose threads or no visible glue stains or anything like that, the materials used left a lot to be desired. It pretty much feels like the entire shoe is made out of synthetics, and you can tell just by holding it in hand, the quality is lacking. However, with all things considered, you could say that this is a pretty affordable sneaker, so I wouldn't even have expected the quality to be that amazing in the first place. With all that out of the way now, let's lace up these sail and platinum tint Air Force 1 Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. If you guys are looking for just a very versatile all-around shoe that you can wear every day, this is a very good choice. Like I said from the start, this is not exactly like your white-on-white Air Force 1s. It incorporates different materials throughout, and there's just enough differentiation in the color tones to make it stand out and make it pretty dope in my eyes. So yes, the quality isn't exactly there, but to me, this isn't the shoe that I'm going to be babying. It's more something I'm just going to leave by the front door and really just not worry too much about it. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about the sail and platinum tint Air Force 1 Low. How do you guys feel about the color tone of this shoe? And is this something that you guys would personally rock or not? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.